up for Christmas is a lot of work. You love and hate Christmas? Why? Why do you hate Christmas? Is there anyone in the comments that... Because I love Christmas. We're Christmas lovers around here. Thank you everyone for the sends. And like I said, if you're new here, hit the follow. I'm so close to 18K. Oh yeah, this was so good. Fill this thing up. I hope everyone has enjoyed this live like I have. And if you don't want to miss any more of my lives, you need to give me a follow. Hey Meg, thank you for the heart me. It's like my chat stood on a standstill. Oh, my chat's not loading for me. Oh, there it goes. Dang, I missed hella comments. Hey, Rare. Oh my gosh, I missed so many comments because it literally didn't load after V said that she hated Christmas. Literally. I missed like everybody's comment. All the comments popped up at once. Yes, I'm like, what the hell? I missed them. Will I restock powder? Yeah. I'm still trying to figure out what to do for my next live. Oh, I think I'll do the panelin idea that I had. What do you think about that? Panelin dish soap, panelin liquid only. Lemon Roma Foca. Well, chat, I'm about to get off. This was the last ad. Ah! It sprayed me. The sponge is so thick. Which is like, this stuff is so liquidy still. So. No epoxy squeeze today. Unfortunately, we are at the end of the live already, and I am about to get off. Ooh. Lord, Lord, Lord. Squeezing makes me want to squeeze again.